Okay, so I decided to put this wig on so I could see the color on me and if I wanted to adjust the color. This is a very golden honey blonde, okay? And the roots is, it's a root on here. You can see the color difference. You can see a root. But it's like probably a shade or 2 shades darker than the actual hair. It might not look as bad when I have makeup on, but when I don't have makeup on, it is, I feel like it's washing me out. So I don't know if I want to add a root and just tone the hair with purple shampoo or what, but yeah, I don't know what to do. What do you guys think I should do? Should I add a root? Or should I leave it alone? But it's very soft. Like, it's really soft. Okay, no. We're going to keep it the color that it is. All I'm going to do as of right now is I'm going to wash it in purple shampoo just to help tone this a little bit more. So let's do that right now. I forever be thinking I'm recorded and I'm not. Okay, this is not purple dye. This is purple shampoo. So I'm washing the wig and toning it at the same time. I'm using Vanilla No Yellow and it is toning it. It is a very violet shampoo, so it tones pretty fast and it's already toned. So I'm going to let it sit for a little bit longer and then I'm going to rinse the soap off and where it can go in and customize the hairline. But the hairline is pretty nice and decent already. So we'll see what exactly we have to do to the hairline.
Playing on the